Hey guys, it's Tiara Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. All you're gonna need for this is dodder tools and a lining brush, and then I'm gonna use this color blue that I got from Modelones, a nice base coat for your French tip. This is what I use. It's just from this brand that I get off Amazon. So today's video is going to be a recreation of the CLASE AZUL trendy nails. So for this design, I'm gonna have the thumbnail and the ring finger be the same, and then the index finger and the pinky be the same, and then the middle finger is just going to be the different nail. So right now I'm going to start on the index finger, and I'm going to make that kind of like flower shape design on this nail. So I start off by outlining everything with a small dodder tool and then kind of making dots all around the edge. To make that flower shape, I'm going to go in with a more medium size dotting tool and just make a dot directly in the center of the French tip. I'm then going to take the small dodder tool again and just make little dots kind of mapping out where I'm going to put each petal. Once I have the petals kind of mapped out, I'm going to take my liner brush with a little bit of polish on it and just gently drag the brush from the outside of the petal towards the inside. Don't think about this part too hard, because once you start doing that, then the petals are going to start to make kind of a weird shape, and then it's just not going to look as good. So really don't think too hard, just kind of make that nice fluid brush stroke towards the center of the flower. I'm then going to finish it off with a small dodder tool and just make the outline of the inside of the French tip, if that makes sense, with dots all the way going down. Okay, so on to the tricky nail. So I start off by just making a dotted outline on the top of the French tip. Nothing, hard about that. But the harder part is this design that kind of looks like the vines that wrap around the tequila bottle. So in order to achieve this look, I went ahead and made a dotted outline around the curved part of the French tip. And then I made another dotted line right above it so that they're not connecting, but there's two dotted lines directly on top of each other. And once you get down to the kind of like side of the French tip, they will overlap. So I kind of just made one dot going down instead of two lines of dots, if that makes sense. So taking your liner tool, we're going to make a line directly through that first row of dots that we made. You're then going to connect that second row by making small dashes that go into the line. It's easier to just watch than to explain. However, the film did come out a bit blurry, so I'm trying my best to explain what I'm doing. Don't think too hard. Don't try to make the lines too straight. You kind of want them to be a bit curved so it looks more like a vine. So to make that more realistic, try to curve that line and drag it into that dotted row that we started off with. I kept the middle finger simple by just doing dots going around the smile line and then dots going over the top. So this is the final result. I think it turned out really cute. I'm very proud of myself too because this is definitely out of my comfort zone. I feel like I did a very good job for my first time around. So let me know what you guys think of this set. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!